Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the MongoDB extension for Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the MongoDB extension, then it is an extension that lets you manage and interact with the MongoDB databases directly from your coding environment, thus allowing you to explore data, prototype queries, and run commands within the familiar VS Code interface. So let's see how to install the MongoDB extension. Start by going to the extensions tab of your Visual Studio's code, or alternatively you can also press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Then once you are inside the extensions tab, go to the search bar and type in MongoDB, and here you can see the first extension, which is the MongoDB for VS Code by MongoDB itself, and around 2.2 million downloads. So this is extension that we will be using. So in order to install this, simply click on the install button, and you need to click on the trust publisher and install button in here in order to proceed. Once you have done that, here you can see that it is currently installing, and then now it has been successfully installed and open as well. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.